President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Runway. It's not just a magazine. It's a global icon. A winding road that brings us back together again.
I'm back by popular demand.
Grabe naman, Madam President. Parang meron kaming bagong energy, bagong look, bagong anyo na kukuha from you tonight. Saan to nanggagaling?
As you can see, no, I am channeling my inner Miranda Priestley. No, because I'm so into fashion recently. After kong kumubra, no? But what you actually don't know is that this coat that I'm wearing is not just blue. It's not turquoise. It's not lapis. It's actually sky blue. Yung kasi yung bagay sa akin na nagpa-skin color analysis ako sa no? And of course, to complete the look, syempre ang favorite kong accessory, di ba? Alam niyo lahat po. Oh, di ba? The return of the comeback. Ang tawag dyan, the devil wears neck brace. In the shade of corruption. Suot lang natin para complete yung look, no? Oh, bitch, it's a look. Oh, di ba? Oh, videohan mo ako. Fit check. Di ba? Shoes, pork barrel. Dress, confidential fund. Neck brace, flood control. Diba?
So grabe, narinig namin ng Vogue na song, yung wig mo is definitely giving a certain character ng movie. So tama ba, inspired kayo ngayon by Miranda Priestley?
Hindi, kay Miranda Rights. Emily. Yes, kay Miranda Priestley kasi sobrang inspire ako mag-career change ngayon. Gusto ko na mag-career change kasi for a very long time I have been a president, no? So from being a commander-in-chief, now an editor-in-chief. No? Magtatayo tayo ng sarili kong magazine.
Wow!
Yes.
Ano po ang pangalan nitong magazine na ito?
At kung si Miranda Priestley, Runaway Magazine, yung sa akin, Run Away Magazine. Actually, nagdala ako ng first copy ng aming debut issue.
Ay!
Ang Run Away, di ba? At ibubunyag ko na kung sino ang aming unang cover girl. Gusto niyo bang malaman? Yes. Run Away Magazine presents. Di ba? I believe this is going to be our biggest issue yet. No? Runaway Magazine featuring Bato de la Rosa, Climbing the Stairs to Success. Diba?
Grabe!
Pero nag-prepare din ako ng Tagalog, no? Like, is this Tagalog? You know? Kasi baka sabihin niyo, pang-hafiz lang tong magazine. Marunong kami mag-Tagalog dito sa Runaway Magazine. So, tatawagin namin yung tagline ng Bato-bato sa langit, ang madapa pangit. Nadapa ka na, no? That's not a question. Oh, di ba, Miranda nga? Is, galing tayo, no? Bueno,
Madam President, no, dahil pinag-uusapan na rin naman natin ang senador, no? Ngayon, grabe po ang kaguluhan sa Senado. So ano po ang mensahe ng isang former president tungkol sa current state ng kaguluhan sa bansa ngayon?
alam mo, ako'y lubos na disappointed, no? Lubos na nalulungkot sa nangyayari sa Senado. Kasi sobrang bagal ng mga alimores ko. Kaya may mensahe ako sa kanila. Alan at Pia Cayetano, Robin Padilla, Marcoleta, why is no one ready? And Amy, that's all.
Grabe ang mensahe. Palapakan po natin na former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, now in her editor-in-chief era at that